Hi, this is Emma from Wayne State University. I'm a graduate student in Computer Science department. Today, I'm going to make a presentation about big data in social network. This is the outline of my presentation. First of all, I'm going to talk about what is the big data. Big data from social networking. Facebook is a typical social networking company, but we can also say it's a data company. Big data strategy at Facebook, and last is the Facebook technical framework. What is big data? Big data is used to describe a massive volume of both structured and unstructured data that is so large. It's difficult to processing using traditional database and software techniques. Big data, we can see it everywhere. Lots of data is being collected and warehoused. Web data, e-commerce, purchase at department, grocery stores, bank credit card transaction, and social networks. There are some features of big data. 3 ways of big data. Volume, we currently see the exponential growth in data storage. Data we talk about here is more than text data. We can find data in the format of video, music, and large images on our social media channels. It's very common to have terabytes and petabytes of storage system for enterprises. Because of data growth, the application and architecture built to support the data needs to be reevaluated. Sometimes the same data is reevaluated with a multiple angle. The big value indeed present big data. A velocity, the data growth and the social media explosion have changed how we look at the data. Newspaper is still following the previous logic. However, news channels and radios have changed how fast we receive the news. Today, people rely on social media to update them with the latest news. A lot of users often discard old messages and pay attention to recent updates. The data movement is now almost real time, and the update window have reduced to fraction of the seconds. The high velocity data present big data. Variety. Data can be stored in multiple formats. For example, database, Excel, CSV file. As a matter of fact, it can be stored in simple text files, but sometimes the data is not even in the traditional format. It may be in the forms of video, SMS, PDF, or something we might have not thought about it. It will be easy to do so if we have data in the same format. The real world have data in many different formats, and that is the challenge we need to overcome with the big data. The variety of the big data present big data. What is the feature of big data from the social networks? For number one, large amounts of data. 1 million websites have integrate with Facebook. 23% of users check Facebook 5 times or more daily. 34% of marketers have generated leads on Twitter. Google +1 button is used 5 million times a day. Also, the data from social networking is complex. Each user in the network has basic information, include the username, gender, and location, description, number of the friends, relationships, and so on. User based on the relationship or a common interest constitute of groups. Every day to express viewers' comments such as upload pictures, audios, videos, forming a type of unstructured data. Social networks contain a wide variety type of data. The diversity of those data types present a huge challenge for information analysis and data mining. The extremely fast rate of growth. Social networking data show a rapid growth trend. Up to June 30th, 2013, the number of Facebook users increased by 21%. Up to September 2013, Twitter users increased by 16.5%. Significant valuation of data. Those data have a significant and practical valuation in advertising, personalized information, recommendation, and community management. And this is the vice president of Facebook. Jay said everything we do is just one thing: big data processing. Big data is you found behind the potential value and use it to create profits. The reason is very simple. If you cannot collect data and preserve information in your business, it's just a pile of data. Facebook also said the large data processing involved at every level of our employees, on servers, storages, networks, and data center, as well as the software operation and application of tools. All of those higher quality of servers Facebook provided to the user are all based on the data analysis. Let's take a look at the how big is the big data from Facebook. Include that its system processing 2.5 billion pieces of contact and 500 plus terabytes and data each day, pulling in 2.7 billion like action and 300 billion photo per day. Scan roughly 105 terabytes of data each half hour. What Facebook do with those big data? First step, big data collection, real-time data and historical data. In 2006, a mathematics genius named Jeffrey Hammerbarker had just joined Facebook after a year graduation from Harvard. Zuckerberg appointed him as a research scientist. His task is to study how people use social networks. Facebook put more and more attention to collect personal data. On Facebook, anything is possible. Profile on Facebook not only include the name and and the home address, but also his friends, his family, and their preference. From the pop music to a political statement, this data updated in real time. But Facebook do not open API. Those data cannot be searched by search engine. Constitute the Facebook's core data assets. In December 2011, Facebook launched Timeline. It is a site where users can edit themselves' personal timeline. In this timeline page, record the life stories of individuals. Facebook is like a friend you grow up together. He knows everything about you. The more data people left on Facebook, the more accurate Facebook can place advertisement to those users. After we collect all those personal data, we need to do the data analysis. To consider how to generate huge amounts of data more valuable. To handle such information, Facebook classified data first. User comments, analysis unstructured data like upload pictures, music, videos, gathering information, classifying it into structured data. There are three types of data in Facebook data tab. The identity data include basic registration information, demand data, the like button, and status information, and relational data. That is the according to the user and user fans, estimated his relationship with other users. Therefore, when users share on Facebook like listen to music, click on the like button, change your status to engaged. The first thing Facebook need to do is structure and classify those personal data. Whenever a user log on Facebook, cookie will remain in the user's browser. Your browsing page and keyword will be recorded. By analysis, keyword and information, Facebook can easily obtain users' long-term interests and needs in the near future. The analysis of your friends can get you education, work, income, location, and so on. Based on the detailed data mining, Facebook gave users an incredible precious advertisement. For example, a girl here named Michelle, she just announced her its own engaged status on her homepage. Facebook sent her advertising of wedding photo in Boston. Another Indian Mumbai bride, she's going to get married soon, received a wedding Sarah advertisement. And two friends on the Facebook are chatting, talk about travel to Europe together sometimes in the future. And Facebook scroll advertisement in their right side of travel company information, which will introduce the ticket to Europe and the departure date. The real time the difference between Google search engine advertising mode is Google use the searching keyword. If the keyword is the one advertiser bid on, the advertisement will send to those users. But Facebook model is totally different. It does not use a keyword to find potential user, but to use the basic information, interests, and fans to identify the potential user. Advertiser need to give the general budget and budget for each day of next advertising day. System will send advertisement according to the setting condition. Analysis the potential user. Then, depending on which way choose advertisement, give a estimate fee. Another simple explanation based on the Facebook. That's the Lady Gaga. In United States, California, approximately 150,000 female like Lady Gaga. But join the United Kingdom Facebook, female who likes Lady Gaga increased significantly to almost more than 2 billion people. As a result, if advertisers have a general understanding of those potential target people who likes Lady Gaga, they can make advertisement to grab more attention from those people. Another example about the energy drink. Let's say we want to make an advertisement about the energy drink. We can put the setting condition of Facebook user who likes sport and adventure. Even send the Red Bull's fan page as a setting condition. Data mining from Facebook not only attract to advertiser, also help product design department learning the user's behavior and can optimize the web page function. Example is Julie works for the Facebook department, a design department. Analyzing this data, she found something interesting. Upload a picture on Facebook. Julie got the following data. 87% people select the file tab on the first screen. 57 use a file selection function to upload to select the picture they want to upload. 52% user click the upload button. 48 user will wait for the upload processing is complete. This data clearly illustrated the problem. Less than 50% users successfully upload pictures. In order to increase users' succeed rate of uploading pictures, Facebook replaced the Java Flash function with the browser's file selection function. Upload rating increased by 11%. And after running this function for a couple months, a new issues is being found. Facebook also found that 85% users only upload one picture. Through the data analysis, they found why people only upload one picture is because they don't know how to use the shift to select more than one picture. So Facebook added tips there who will tell people how to upload multiple pictures. The rate is reduced from 85% to 40%. Another function, another is using data reduce the cancellation rate. At first, Facebook deactivative page is very monotonous. Only one line of "We're sorry you are leaving" tell us why Facebook was not useful. There is a designer who convinced a user not to cancel his Facebook account, so he redesigned the cancellation pages. Shows right here. It says, "Are you sure you want to deactivate your account? After the cancellation, all the information will be removed on Facebook. Carly will miss you, Sassus will miss you, and Aaron will miss you. Alexandra will miss you." By doing this, new designer make the user feel like if he canceled his Facebook account, he leave a big family, and even a bigger group. According to the final result, this emotional ways to bring user back is pretty successful. Reduces 7% of the cancellation rate. Next one, we're gonna talk about a Facebook technical framework. In Facebook, big data technology are widely used in advertising, newsing, message chat, searching, set security, specific analysis, report, and other fields. Facebook is one of the largest open source contributor of Apache. In 2007, Facebook is officially turned to Hadoop framework. After that, it contributed to the Apache Foundation. Open source tools include Hive, Zookeeper, Scrap, etc. The earlier Facebook data technology architecture is built on Hadoop, HBase, and Hive, Scrap, etc. This is the current big data technology architecture. That's based on the earlier framework of data transmission channel and optimized data processing system. Scrap distributed log system, HDFS, and HBase. Distributed computing and analysis system include MapReduce and Puma and Hive. Scrap log system for gathering log data from a large number of HTTP servers. Swift was provided Facebook's software framework support. Framework supports C, Java, PHP, Python, Ruby, and other language. What is the future Facebook big data framework like? First, Corona is possible to replace MapReduce in the Hadoop system, which makes the Corolla can be working on MapReduce assignment, can also handle non-MapReduce assignment. Hadoop cluster will have a wider area application. Secondly, Presto is Facebook new data query system. Third, wormhole flow calculation system. And the fourth important project, Prism. It is able to run a large global data Hadoop cluster. That's all for today's talk. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, and that's my email address. Thank you.